Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get RedotPay card promo codes. So whether you are looking for purchasing the virtual card or the physical card, you must be looking for the discount promo codes. So look no further because in this video, that's exactly what I'm about to give you. So first of all, you need to simply launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account and you want to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up. And this way you are going to get that $5 absolutely for free in your account. Now, once you have it, you just have to simply tap on the option of cards. Over here, you are going to see the virtual cards and the physical cards. So you need to select which type of card you want to apply for. So let's say I want to apply for the virtual card first. So after selecting your card type, simply tap on the option of apply for card. Now over here, you just have to provide your billing address and then you will be shown this type of promo code section. So you need to tap on this promo code, and over here the promo code that you need to select over here is of 2026. So when you use this particular coupon code, you are going to see that the $10 USD is now 8. So if you just see that the discount is applied and 20% discount is going to be applied if you use this code. Now this particular code is for virtual cards only. For physical card, you need to apply the another promo code. So here select the physical card option first, then tap on the option of apply card. This is going to be of 100 USD. So if you want to save 20% on this card purchase, you just have to simply use this promo code, which is RedotPay2026. And as you can see, if you apply this, you are going to see a whopping 20 USD off. So you can purchase this physical card with $80 only. So that's how you can get the coupon code. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.